welcome again to Novet's Table. Today I will show you how to make my favorite stuffed squid. Alright guys, here are the ingredients. So today's episode we will be needing 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can use vinegar or calamansi juice. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. About 2 teaspoons of minced ginger. And 3 cloves of minced garlic, about 2 teaspoons of black ground pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We will be also using about 5 pieces of finely chopped water chestnut, and 2 big tomatoes, and 1 medium of onion. For our basting, we will need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. And of course, we will be using these 5 medium sizes of squid. Okay guys, you have to make sure that you clean very well your squid. Okay, so remove the one inside and also the plastic inside. So just remove that and be careful with the head. Okay, so I will put it in this bowl. So I was not really careful enough because the tail was like separated from the body, but that's fine. Okay, we have to marinate our squid for about 1 hour so that it will be very tasty. Okay, first I will put the garlic. Okay, and then soy sauce and the lemon juice and the ginger. Okay, so make sure guys, you have to press on in the squid so that it will get inside the squid. Just be careful not to break the head, or if the head is like separated from the body, you can put it back when you put the stuff in. Okay, so let's leave this and put it in the fridge for about 1 hour. Guys, while waiting for our squid to be marinated for an hour, we can now make our stuffing. Put in the tomato, chopped tomato. Please remove the seeds. Okay, and the water chestnut. And also the finely chopped onion. Next, we can add the teaspoon of salt and the 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper. I want it to have more ground black pepper, guys, because I love the aroma of this ground black pepper into my squid. Okay, so just mix it up all together, and when our squid is ready, we can put everything. We can stuff this inside the squid and we will grill. Alright. Okay, so we will set this aside also inside the fridge. Make sure to cover up so that your fridge will not be smells like onion. Right? Okay. And now for our basting, we can mix it up also. Soy sauce and honey. And we'll add the sweet chili sauce. If you don't have sweet chili sauce, guys, you can put ketchup. Okay. And mix it up all together. So after an hour, here it is now. I remove it from the fridge, my squid, and then we will put the stuffing in. Okay, so you can use your hands, or I can use this little spoon over here. Okay, so because my squid is too small, so just be careful not to break it, but put everything inside. Okay. You know guys, this kind of recipe is really very famous in the Philippines, especially if there are some special occasions. So they usually make this kind of recipe because it's really good. Okay, so put all the stuff inside. Just be careful not to break the squid. Okay guys, this is good enough. So make sure to stuff in back the head. Okay, so set this aside and we'll do the rest. Alright guys, we are now ready to grill this squid. So make sure guys that your grill is really hot. Okay, so first I'll put in my stuffed squid. Make sure to put some oil so that it will not be sticking into the grilling pan. There you go. I lost one tail. Smells so good. Smells so good, guys. Okay, so you have to turn it around. And we can put our basting. And then guys, after about 10 minutes, you have to make a slit like that. There you go. This is so delicious. It will only take about 15 minutes to cook, guys, because my squid is so little. So I'll just put, I put some basting. Alright guys, this is done. This is cooked already. So we can now transfer into our plate. That's easy, right? Here it is guys, our stuffed grilled squid. This is so delicious that your family will surely love. Alright, you can pair it with some papaya pickles. And I'm very sure that your family will love this recipe. Alright, to all my subscribers, thank you so much. And if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will always be updated every time I will post a video in my channel. Alright guys, till next time again, thank you so much everyone.